shower and live your best life. But if your water heater isn't working right, you're one cold shower away from emotional collapse. Let's check it before it wrecks it. Step 1. Go find your water heater. Usually it's in the garage, utility attic, or some weird corner in your house you pretend doesn't exist. Make sure it's standing upright, not leaking, and hasn't rusted into oblivion. If it's surrounded by puddles or smells like metallic sadness, we have a problem. Step number 2. Check the age. Here's the trick most people don't know. Look at the label. Every water heater has a manufacturer's sticker. It tells you the date it was made. If it's older than 10 years, it's probably on borrowed time. And if it's older than you, replace it yesterday. Don't wait for the cold shower doom. Step number 3. Test the temperature. Now test the water. It should be hot, not lukewarm, not meh, not was this heated by sadness? If it takes more than a minute to warm up or it gets too hot, like skin melting hot, the thermostat might be out of whack. Water heaters should be set to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, not 140 and not 90. You want clean dishes, not second-degree burns. Bonus tip, listen for the gurgle. Hear gurgling, popping, weird noises like your water heater is trying to communicate with ghosts? That's sediment buildup. It's like the water heater version of kidney stones. You need a flush, stat. Boom! Now you know how to check your water heater in minutes. Look for leaks, check the age, test the temperature, and listen for the weird stuff. And if you'd rather not decode serial numbers or fight rusty tanks, call Home Inspection Carolina. We'll do the dirty work so you can stay warm and shower stress-free.